Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahviworld. In this video, I'm going to show you how you could make your own beautiful bolero at the comfort of your home. Can you see it on me? Wow, this is not amazing? At home, you could make something like this for yourself. Are you the type that love beautiful gowns, but most often they come in sleeveless mode and you don't like putting on sleeveless? Worry no more. The solution is finally here. That gown that you'll be keeping in your wardrobe for a long time because it's sleeveless, this is the best time to rock it. So go get it out because after this video, you will be able to rock it again. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. Here are the things needed for making the bolero jackets. I have this lacy fabric here. It's kind of a stretchy on one side. I'm gonna use it. Here is a veil net. I may use it, I may not use it. I don't know for now. So depending on what I want. So when I'm done, I will know if I'm going to use it or not. My scissors, a tape, and a chalk. Here, the first thing to do is to fold my fabric into two like this. So first of all, I'm going to cut out the back side first before cutting out the front. So my bust circumference is 39. 39 divided by 4. I have a 9 and 3/4. So I'm going to use just add a little sewing allowance to it. Okay, so I'll just leave it at 10 and a half here. I have 10 and a half. Then my half lengths, I'm going to use the full length of this fabric. I have 13 and a half. It's still okay. My half length is 14, but since it's a bolero, I think 13 is okay by me. I'll just cut off this excess here so that I can straighten it up. Now I just turn it like this. So I'm going to use here as the top, while this side will be the downside. So the first thing to do is to take my shoulder measurement. My shoulder is 15. I'm going to leave it at 16. Since it's a jacket, I don't want it to be too curvy inside. So from here, I'm going to remove my neck. So the neck, I'm going to use 3.5. 3.5 by 1.5. Or I can use 1. Let me use 1. 3.5 by 1. Depends on how down you want it to be. Just curve it like this. Take my armhole measurements. I'm using 9. Okay, 9. Then I will also take the measurement of my shoulder here so that I can get a straight line. So I'm going to connect these lines together. Then here I'm going to take my bust circumference. I told you 9.5. So it's 10. So I'll just leave it here. And my waist measurement is 8.5. So I'm going to leave it at 9.5 as well. So I'll just connect the lines together. Then I'll curve this my armhole like so. Then my shoulder slant, I'll come down here by 1/2 inch. Then just connect it straight to my neck like so. Now I'll just cut it out.
This is Ahviworld.
Here is the back, so we're going to cut the front right now. So for the front side, I folded it into two already, so I'll just place my back side over it like this. Then I'll cut it out. After cutting it out, before I will take the necessary measurements. So before I finish cutting it, for the front neck, I'm going to use the same width, which is 3.5, but the depth of the front neck is going to be 4 inches. Okay, so my 4 inches is right here, so I'll just trace it down to where I have the downside, that's the front. So I'll trace it up to this place. I'll take my 3.5 here as well, so that I can have a straight curving. Connect here, then I'll curve it like so. Then from here, I'm simply going to cut it. Then I'll open up this place. Remember, the back does not have zipper, so that's why we did not leave any space at the back, and we didn't open it as well. Here is the back side, and here is the front. In order to get that curved part of the bolero, so I'm just going to take my bust point here. I have 10, so I'll just mark my 10 here. After marking that 10 there, because I don't have enough fabric, I'm just trying to manage this fabric, so I'm supposed to remove 1 inch or 2 inch, depending on how open you want the jacket to be. So I'm just going to remove half an inch here, like so. Then I'll connect it down to my half length here. Okay, kind of curve. Just use your free hand to shape it to curve it like this. Then I will also curve this part to my neckline. You have to curve it till you have a straight curve. If you have a French curve, you can use it for it. Mine is kind of far from me right now, so that's why I'm using freehand. So I'm just going to cut it out. I want to thank those who have been following us and have subscribed to this channel. God will bless you. And to the new ones and those who haven't subscribed yet, it won't cost you anything to subscribe to this channel. Do that so that you'll be getting more creative videos from us. See it? This is how it's gonna be. I need to straighten this place. It's kind of bent, so to straighten it up. I think it's okay like this. So here is the back, and here is the front. So I'm just going to place back side facing back. So from here you're going to know if it's wide enough for you, but if not, you can as well still cut it open, but I think it's okay like this for me. So I'll just take it to the machine right now and sew here together. Stitch this place. I'll stitch here, then the sides I'll stitch again. Remember, I'm taking half inch, ham stitch everywhere because I was not having enough allowance when cutting. Half inch here as well. Then I'll show it to you when I'm done. Here is it. I finished stitching the shoulders and the sides. So this is what I have. Can you see? It's looking lovely already. You can see the curved shape like so. Here is what the back looks like. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, at this stage, you can as well just use bias to hem it and hem the neck all round, and that's it. But what I'm going to do, I want to use this veil net, like I said before, to just pleat round the neck. Before then, I'll cut out the sleeve. I'm going to use this for the sleeve, then use the lacy fabric for the band of the sleeve, because I don't have enough of this that will go around for both sleeves, so I'm just going to do it like that. For the sleeve, I'm going to fold the net into two, like so. Okay, see this part, this is the folded part. That's where I'm going to use for the down of my sleeve. Then I'll fold it again. I'm cutting them one. I'm going to use double net like that. I don't want to use one because it will be too transparent. So after folding it like this, I'll just go in by 4 inches here. Then I'll connect it from this top shoulder to this place, 9.5. So I'll just curve it. Then my round sleeve is 6.5. So I'll just make it 7.5. So I'll connect it like so. Then I'll cut it out. So I'll just notch here. So I'll place it on top of the fabric and cut out the other sleeve. Here are they. I cut out the two. So what I'm going to do now, I went a step ahead to cut out a straight line. This is about 2 inches wide, so it's going to be the length of this. Remember that this thing is on fold, so I'm supposed to have a long one, but it's not long enough, so I cut out two like this. So I'm going to join it right here, right side facing right side. So I'll stitch it right there, then I will stitch it to the hem of the sleeve. Okay, so what I'm going to do, just to place it like so, I'm going to do it like this. Okay, I'm placing the right side now to the inside of it. After sewing it through to that place, I'll just flip it over like this, then fold here and stitch it. Then I'll show you everything. Here is it. You can see I finished joining the hands, the sleeve. I just attach this like I said, so I turn it inside so that it will not be touching my skin directly. So now I'm gonna go ahead and join it to the armhole, the body of the cloth, like so. So I'm just gonna sew it like this, attach here and attach the other side. Then I also went a step ahead to cut out my V-net that I'll use to kind of embellish the edges round to the back, because I don't want to use them bias to cover it or to fold it. So I'm going to use this. All I'm going to do is just to start from, pick a place to start from there, then I'll start pleating it like this. That's how I'm going to do it. So I'll do it like this till I go around. So I'll come and show you the outcome when I'm done. You can see I'm done with it. Wow, is it this amazing? See the sleeve, see the neck. You can see the V-net I attached to the edges. I did it all round. Can you see the inside? Wow, this is lovely. I'm just going to put it on now so you can see it. Can you see it on me? Wow, is this not amazing? I love what I'm seeing. Like I said at the beginning of this video, that your gown you'll be keeping in your wardrobe, this is the best time to bring it out and start rocking it. Just be creative in your own way and be unique. It doesn't have to be too expensive. All you need to do is just that uniqueness you need to put in. When you come out, people see you, they will see that uniqueness in you. You could use lacy fabric, you could use Dutchess, crepe, any kind of material at all to make this. Just come out nice and unique, and you are good to go. Stay tuned for more videos. I remain Ahviworld. Bye, and please hit the subscribe button right now. See you. Bye.